Well, hello, school counselors and school counselors to be. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, The Inspiring School Counselor. And today, you guys, it is July 29th. I am currently at my school. I'm trying to get things all set up. There's a couple of things that I have to do today. For one, we have Principal's Discretionary Day. No, this is not Principal's Discretionary Day. We have the leadership meeting of the school. So it's going to be like me, the principal, some teachers that's going to be coming together to just kind of talk about, PBIS, the different things that we're going to be doing to lead the school this year. And that doesn't start until 9:30, so I have about 15 minutes. And I'm also going to be getting my classroom together. So, I'm sorry for the lighting. It's definitely not the best lighting, but I have some stuff I need to get out the car. So I'm going to use this cart right here to get my things out. But yeah, you guys, it is getting close to time for school to be starting. So we, the teachers and the school counselors for at least elementary and middle school, they don't go back to school. We go back August 3rd, but the kids don't go back until August 9th. So we have a little bit of time before the kids have to come back, but we have to at least come back August 3rd. But because I'm on the leadership team, we are doing a meeting today. So that is what it's looking like. So I'm going to take this cart to my car, and then we're going to get ready for this meeting. All right, you guys, so I finally got that that rolly cart in here with all my stuff. So now I'm going to be getting ready to go to my leadership meeting. We have about 5 minutes before it starts. But like I was sharing before, we're just going to be talking about just the different things that we're going to be doing here at the school. We're going to be freshening up on PBIS. Is there anything that we're wanting to change, and whatever else that my principal wants to bring up. So I have my tablet with me. I need to carry my phone with me, and we're going to have this meeting. So let's go ahead. Hey, you guys, so I'm getting ready to open up the planner that I created. I'm going to take some notes. I don't know which one I want to open, the blank one or the one that's already dated, but I'm excited. So soon I'll be posting this video on the ins and outs on this planner so that you guys can just see it. Y'all, it took a lot of time, I'm gonna tell you. So I just got finished with my leadership meeting. It was me, the principal, a pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade teacher, and the RTI and the speech teacher was also involved in the leadership meeting. And so we were able to get together. So now I am back in my classroom, as you all can already tell, and everything's set up pretty good. So if you guys remember the last time when I showed you guys, is that the SPED teacher's computer and printer was up here. As you can see, now it is gone. I do not have my computer. They still haven't transferred it to this room. So I need to really go and talk to the janitor about getting that computer in here. I know we might have to wait on technology to be able to transfer it. But anyway, so I have to get that in there. But I'm going to be unloading this, trying to go through this stuff and clear things out. So let's get started. So I wanted to show you guys what I have in this box. This is something that's going to be going in the school store for the kids. Somebody had donated a lot of these, what they call Pez candy dispensers to me, and I thought, oh my gosh, let me bring this to the school and put this in the school store for the kids to earn. And it's just like Minnie Mouse. There's other little characters in here as well, so I'm excited about being able to put these in the store. When to close this box up and put it in that closet. Let's go and do that. And that was, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but that was one of the things that we talked about in the leadership meeting, and that's the school store and when we're going to start that and all that good stuff. All right, so as you guys can see, I have these green bags behind me on the table. Those bags, I don't know if you guys remember from the last video, but I was talking about those bags. It's the dental bags that have like the toothpaste, the toothbrush, the pencil, and the little card that's in there. And I mentioned about talking to my principal to see if I can give them out for the back to school bash. So I asked her today, and I'm so happy she gave it a yes. And so I'm going to be giving these out to the students. So they're going to get a clean new toothbrush, new toothpaste, a pencil, and everything. So it's going to be starting them off right for the beginning of the year. Maybe you want to do that at the school that you're at. All you have to do is just talk to the local dental office to see if they would like to donate. Also, you can even collaborate with your school nurse, because maybe she has some connections and she knows who you can also call to try to get this happening for your kids. So I just wanted to bring that up to y'all. All right, so someone had donated a whole lot of food, and I'm happy because I'm going to be keeping like a lot of snacks in my room so that I don't have to be carrying snacks back and forth from my house to here. It's just going to make things a whole lot easier. So I'm going to actually use this bin to hold my snacks. And as you guys see, I went to Walmart yesterday and I grabbed a pack of water because I'm tired of carrying water back and forth from home. So I'm going to just try to keep a pack of water here and keep this little thing stocked with snacks so that I can just go ahead and grab and eat whenever, I'm getting a little snackish. So I'm going to get ready to fill that up. There's a lot of good snacks in here, y'all. So that's what I'm working on. I just think that it's just so much easier when I can just have my snacks here, so I don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, did I pack, or no, I didn't pack anything, and so I don't have really nothing to eat. I just rather have that here, and you do that. Now, of course, I can always eat in the cafeteria and have them put that on my credit, and I can do it that way if I don't have actual cash. Some of the things that they have in the cafeteria for food to eat, I don't necessarily want, so I'd rather just have my snacks here. So in the mornings, let's just say I didn't have time to eat breakfast, which I don't eat breakfast really hardly anyway, but let's just say I wanted something to eat early in the morning or something like that, or even these could be snacks, but I have this full of snacks in here too. So I have like peanut butter crackers. I love Belvitas. I have the cinnamon kind, and I also have the golden oat kind in here. I have my breakfast protein bars. My Kind bar, I haven't had this before, but I'm assuming it's good, but it's dark chocolate and oats. My Nature Valley almond butter cookie sandwiches. I even have Oreos in here. I probably have like 4 packs of Oreos. I'm not sure. I have to count it. I already started eating these, you all. These are just peanut butter filled pretzels. I have cashews. If y'all can't already tell, I have a lot of nuts. And then I have protein bars. So that is kept in this. And I'm actually going to store this on my microwave. Put that right here. This is probably going to be stored underneath my desk. That's why I'm going to put this, because I don't have nowhere else to put it. But as soon as I turn this on, I'm going to be putting my water inside here, so it's going to be nice and cold. I forgot to show y'all, but I also have a bag of these Fuji apple freeze-dried fruit chips and these kale and spinach chips. I am excited about these kale chips. All right, so I am finally done with my office area, sitting area, and I'm so happy that that part is done. But this is what it's going to look like for me. It's a clear walking space for me to go in and out. I have this all organized. I don't know if you guys can really see that. That's organized. I don't have anything in here. But that's what it's looking like for my desk. I can't wait till I get my computer in so I can get that all set up and put together. I have all of my books and everything, my water. And so I wanted to show you guys this area. This is the warm-up area. And here, this is just when the kids, they are able to come up here and they're able to pull a number out of the bowl, whatever it matches up with on the board here. That is what we're going to do for a 5-minute warm-up. So if they pull out a 5, then it's going to be we dance for 5 minutes and so on. So I love this area right here, you guys. And if it is that they choose, we have like free draw or directed draw. I have this bin already filled with different things that they can draw on. So I'm just happy and proud of this area, you guys. I actually I might put a cloth on this table or paint this table. I don't know which one I want to do first, because as you guys can see, it's a little beat up, but I am going to change that around and kind of fix it the way I want it to look. Hopefully I don't forget, so I probably need to make a note of that. But I just love this area. It's a really cute area for the kids. They can just come up here, pull out of the jar, and we do our warm-up. So I want to show you guys that. All right, you guys, so I'm getting ready to leave up out of here because I've been here for quite some time. I don't know what time I actually end up getting here, but it is 3:08, so it's time for me to get up out of here. So the next thing for me to do is to make sure all of my lessons are good together and printed out. I also have to make sure that I put together like the SWPBS presentation. I have to get that together. And make sure I have everything that I need to talk about different things regarding that, and the schedule. I have to remember to do the schedule to present it to the teachers and the staff. So I have to make sure I do that too. What else do I have to do? So basically everything that I just mentioned, I'm going to have to be on the computer and printing out stuff. So that is what I'm going to be doing the next time that I come here. I don't know if it's going to be next week or if I'm going to come sometime this week. Probably not this week. So, but I thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. All right? I'll see you guys next time. Bye.